I have to say that it is a tremendous honor for me to be marrying you guys tomorrow. Tarek and I have been through a tremendous amount together. It's true. I love you very much. I'm going to tell you that as a brother. I love you very much.
Thank you, Roger.
We love you.
Heather just has so much love, and her and Tarek's relationship provides a perfect balance, and Heather has so much patience for the kids and for Tarek, and she really just... and for Tarek.
You need to know this about this guy. He is never happy with anything. Never happy with anything until Heather. Because when you know, you know.
Yeah.
Love you, buddy.
Yay.
Tarek is without a doubt her Prince Charming. The energy that you guys exude as a couple is undeniable.
She just has the most infectious personality. She's the nicest person I've ever met. I don't want to get emotional. She has a heart of gold, and she deserves the world.
Aw, that's sweet.